Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a product weight to your WooCommerce store in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where in the upper right corner you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page where on the left side of the screen you can find all the sections such as home settings, disk upgrades, and so on, and the section we are going to be using is WooCommerce. So guys, we are going to go ahead and be opening up the WooCommerce option right here. This is going to go ahead and enable us to start a new store if you do not already have one, and if you already have your store, all the options are going to appear under your WooCommerce section right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding product weight. Basically guys, what you want to do is go to your WordPress admin panel. This is what I have just showed you, and open up WooCommerce as I have showed you as well. So if you already have your store and you have your store set up, you can go and click the settings option under WooCommerce, and from there a settings option is going to appear where you can go ahead and click on products. So you'll be able to manage your products from the settings section, and there you can scroll to the measurements page and select the weight options where you can enter in your product weights that you want for the options that you're selling in your WooCommerce store. You can just save it and edit your store automatically, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.